aking pinanggalingan, wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po ba hiyawan dyan? Maraming pong salamat. I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl is standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 21 years old this summer. And I am very proud and humble because I am your It Showtime Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multiplex First Runner-Up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am truly all the way where the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alate. Opo, tama po kayong lahat. Ako po si Amy, at minsan si Baby, sa Pira-Pirasong Paraiso. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay subukang palakpakan at iyawan ang nag-iisang kawanes ni Binibini, Loisa, Andalio. And I always believe, si Biz, Amor, if you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 1. Mark my number, because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. At nagsasabi, ang Binibini number 1 na nasa inyong harapan ay isang tunay na gandang Pilipina. Salamat po.
about how big or how small the costume that we are wearing.
but we should always remember this. It is always about the details of the costume, the originality, and how can we give life to the costume that we are wearing. Good evening again. Well, gems cannot be polished without friction, and a man cannot be perfect without trials. I am Pia Garcia, and I am very proud 31 years old stunner. I am all the way from the home of Rodrigo and Sara Duterte, Davao City. China. I am truly all the way from the home of the Enchanted Kingdom, the Lion City of the South, Santa Rosa City, Laguna. And tonight, I am also proud to say that I am your Miss V Santa Rosa 2016, your Girl ng Tondo, Manila 2017, Laguna Gate Queen 2019, and recently, I was crowned as your Miss International Queen Philippines Calabarzon 2024. And tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name sa babae kong nagbigay ng isa at tablado ng Miss International 2016. And oh yes! I am your Miss International. Bakit hindi ko natin sabay-sabay palakpakan ang babae bumibihag sa mga kalalakihan ngayon? Ang pantasya ng bawat kalalakihan. Binibining Kylie Versosa. Kylie Versosa na nagsasabi na hindi po lahat ng masarap ay mahal. Dahil tulad mo, masarap ka naman, pero hindi ka minahal. At naniniwala na rin po ako ngayon na ang mga Tagalasbanos ay mga talentado. Dahil talento niyo po ang maging masaya kahit nasa piling naman siya ng iba. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am very proud to represent the original costume of lalawigan ng Laguna, ang lawak naging sa ina ng Laguna. Thank you and good evening. Thank you. Celebrating beauty and diversity, this program of Spanish Pride 2024 aims to promote the beauty and richness of the diverse communities. Ladies and gentlemen, people of Los Baños, Laguna, standing in front of you is a 24-year-old stunner who hails all the way from the land of the most beautiful serenas in the Philippines, Binyahan, Quezon City. My name is Casey Bañez Paculan. I am your Queen of Quezon City and your reigning Miss International Queen Philippines NCR. Tonight is more than just a fiesta. This is a celebration of beauty, transgender beauty all over the Philippines. And ladies and gentlemen, panel board of judges, talking about national costume. This yellow ensemble is actually an identity of Filipino culture, freedom, and pride. Good evening. Please enjoy the show.
Once again, the expensive beauty of Queen number 3.
Okay, good.